Good morning. In this video, I am just going to explain how you can set up quick mark in your Turnitin account. Simply, again, I am just going to start from turnitinuk.com. If you don't know how to activate your Turnitin in UK account, please check my guideline on my Sway weblog. Once you activated your Turnitin UK account, it's very simple. Then you can access to your Turnitin profile. Now I am just going to use my university email address and university password. Okay, now I am on my Turnitin profile. I'm just going to choose one of the submissions which I have. Okay, that's all. At the top, you can see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 folders. We are going to focus on libraries. I'm just going to click libraries folder. From libraries folder, there is a subfolder called Quick Mark Manager. I am just going to use Quick Mark Manager tab to create my Quick Mark folder. This is the page. I am going to create my quick mark from here. It says sets. There are 3 dots. I'm just going to click these 3 dots and new set. I'm just going to call my new set test for quick mark 2023. Okay, this is the folder. This is the set of quick marks label. I'm just labeling my quick mark in this. In your case, you may call it your module code, Corp 3511 or Corp 3501. Usually, I call it my module's code. I label my quick marks as a module code. Then you should do it same. It's much easier to identify because I have around 5 or 6 different type of quick marks. Then it will make it easier to identify. Then please just label your quick mark as a module code. Then I'm just going to call my quick mark test for quick mark. Let me just test for quick mark. Submit. Then this is the new quick mark which I created as a folder, and there is 0 subfolder at the moment. To set up your quick mark, I'm just going to give you my own experience. Okay, in my module, I have a marking rubric, and in my marking rubric, I have got 4 different criteria. Criteria 1 is depth of academic knowledge. Criteria 2, application of theory and concepts. Criteria 3, synthesis. And criteria 4, academic writing and academic quality. Usually, I create 3 different scenarios for each criteria. When I am reading my student submission, based on the quality of the paragraph or based on the quality of this the chapter, I drag and drop quick mark into that paragraph quickly. Let's just try. I am here now, test quick mark. I am just going to set my first quick mark option element. Let's just call it quick mark element. I am just going to call this one depths of academic knowledge. Okay. In description, because at the moment, because this is a very short video, I'm not going to spend lots of time to type. Let's say example. This is my best one. I am just going to call this one first element for first criteria. Okay, first element for first criteria, which is going to be excellent. Okay, I'm just giving you some examples here because usually I write different text. Let's just see. Imagine I wrote this one for element one for marking criteria number one. If somebody addresses the question perfectly, then I will drag and drop this one. Okay, 1.1 means excellent. Let me just call it here. You can see excellent and submit. Now I am going to set up the second element for first criteria. I am just going to call this one criteria one, second element. I am going to call depth of knowledge, depth of academic knowledge. Okay, then you can see this is the second one. Again, you can rewrite from scratch. Here you can see the first one was very good, and in this quick mark we have got different tone. Then this is my second alternative for criteria one. Now I am going to have the third one. Criteria one, alternative number three. Sorry, I am in wrong place. Sorry. It's here. Okay. I'm going to 1.3 depth of academic knowledge. Then this is going to be the third one. You can see the tone is different. And here I am telling is a good, not very good, not excellent. It's good. Then submit. I am going to set the fourth one, 1.4. But again, remember, sorry, let me just finish this one. Depth of academic knowledge. The fourth one is this one. This is a kind of satisfactory. Satisfactory. Submit. And finally, I am going to 1.5 depth of academic knowledge, and this is unsatisfactory. Then in this case, I have got, let me just submit it. In this case, I have got 5 scenarios for marking criteria number 1. I am going to read the assignment. Based on the quality of the chapter or paragraph, I will drag and drop one of the quick marks to the chapter or to the section. In this case, you are providing feedback for every paragraph. And remember, in quick marks, you drag and drop, and you can see in my quick mark, I am using, let's say, 100 words in terms of word count for each scenario. For each scenario, I am using, let's say, minimum 100 words. And once you drag and drop, there is a place in quick mark you can type more if you want. If you think you need to give a bit more feedback on top of your quick mark, you can type. Each quick mark has got a little space at the bottom that you can type extra feedback. Remember, this one was for my marking criteria one. Then you I'm just going to I'm not going to continue. I'm just showing you. Now I am moving to criteria number 2. I'm going to call it 2. Criteria number 2. Alternative number 1. It's going to be application of theory. Okay. Then I am going first for the excellent. Okay. Control C. Control V. Let me just call it excellent. Then you can see the tone of this option is going to be different than the second one. Okay. Now for each marking criteria, you will set up, let's say in my case, 5 different alternatives. Once you are reading your assignment, just simply drag and drop. I have got 4 marking criteria. For each criteria, 5 alternatives. In total, I am going to have 20 alternatives in my quick mark. Easily drag and drop. Then this will, maybe you are going to spend 1 hour to build your quick mark, but once you have your quick mark, you can use it for different modules. It doesn't mean if you called it Corp 3511, it's going to be only for Corp 3511. Once you make your quick mark, that quick mark is available under your ID. It means what modules you are going to teach doesn't matter. You can use the same quick mark. Then I hope this will help you to just speed up your marking process. And it helped me a lot. I use rubric and I use quick mark. And in the written section of the feedback, I just give a general overview about the assignment. I hope this video will help you to just set up your quick marks, and also it will help you to just speed up your marking process. Thank you very much, and I'm just going to end the session now. Thank you.